Simply telling Eve that she would know the difference between good and evil was not enough to get them to transgress the Most High's commandments. The Bible withheld a lot of information about the reason Adam and Eve transgressed, just as the angels who followed Satan. Satan made great promises to the angels. He promised to give them great kingdoms and many more. The book of Adam and Eve revealed that Adam desired the Godhead. That is why he made a covenant with Satan. When the Most High said to Adam that Satan cannot fulfill his promise to him, Adam asked Satan if he could make him a garden just as the Most High did for him. Satan had to confess to Adam that he couldn't fulfill what he promised him.